Should you dump all your crypto? Well, listen to this before you do. Whether to sell your crypto holdings or not depends on various factors, including your financial situation, risk tolerance, investment goals, and market conditions. It's important to carefully consider your options and, if needed, seek advice from a financial professional who can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Additionally, staying informed about market trends and monitoring the factors that influence cryptocurrency prices can help in making informed decisions. What do you think, Stewie?
Should you sell all your crypto? Well, that's about as tricky as asking if you should eat the last slice of pizza. It depends on a lot of factors, like how hungry you are and whether it's pineapple topped. No judgment if you like it. In all seriousness, deciding to sell your crypto is a bit like playing a high-stakes game of, I'm a crypto investor, get me out of here. So, tread carefully, do your research, and maybe consult with a financial Tarzan who can help you navigate the jungle of crypto markets. Just don't swing from any digital vines while you ponder your decision.
What do you think, Dark Knight of Gotham and my good friend Batman?
Listen up, Gotham. The question of whether to sell all your crypto holdings is a bit like standing on the edge of a skyscraper.
So thanks for listening, everyone. And my last words are, go Shiba Army! And don't forget to hit that follow button. Share this video and comment a 100 if you liked this video.